Yeah, go.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, keep going. So we've gone and bought our Christmas tree a little bit earlier this year, and this is what I do to try and help prolong the life of the tree so that it looks nice and fresh throughout the Christmas period. First thing I like to do is, if I'm picking up two trees at the same size, I like to try and pick one that feels a bit heavier, because this makes me think that the tree is still more hydrated. I'm going to cut off the bottom inch or so of the tree, so that way when I sit it in my water it can hydrate. Just like that. Nice fresh cut, so you can see that side's the cut, that side's gone a bit hard from where it's been cut a while ago. Gone for a slightly smaller tree this year, and I'm going to put it in this stand inside and fill it up so that the water obviously covers the bottom of the trunk, just enough so it covers it. And then I put that with the tree in it inside this. I'm going to clean it, it's been outside all year, and that way if that leaks or I spill any water when I'm filling it up, it's caught in a secondary tub so that it doesn't damage my floor. So effectively just like that. I only put clean cold water in there. The only last thing I do is where I put it is I make sure that it's nowhere near any heat sources, so I keep it well away from anything like radiators or anything like that. But yeah, it's just what I do. Whether it works or not, I think it does. There it is. Quite a nice little tree actually for a cheap little tree. You may be wondering why I even bother with a bucket to try and save the floor from the water, but especially when I've got these things that just make enough mess as it is, but every little helps, I suppose. Something's better than nothing. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your Christmas.